Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you people are doing well. So here I am with the second part of our previous video, the complete solution of exercise 12.1, okay, or 9.1 from the chapter some applications of trigonometry, okay. So if you have not seen the previous video, kindly do watch it, okay, and you can continue the second part. Only then you are going to understand it completely. So last time I had completed till question number 8, right? If you have seen, you might have understood all of them. Today I will be solving from question number 9. We'll continue this, okay. So let us start. This is our first question number 9. If you can see it is given the angle of elevation of top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30. Okay, so you can see here a building is there, a tower is there, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50-meter high, find the height of the building. Okay, so this is the question. So see, there is a building and a tower. So the angle of elevation of top of building. Imagine this is the building, okay, and this is its top. Let me write it as B. B for building. Now read the angle of elevation of the top of building from the foot of tower. Okay, there is a tower. Okay, these two are the buildings like this. There is a building. There is a tower over here, and there is a building over there. Now from this top, this is the top of tower and this is the bottom foot, okay. Now read the angle of elevation of top of building from foot of tower. This is what? This is the foot of tower. Is how much? Is 30 degree. Got it? Now, in the angle of elevation of top of tower from foot of building is 60 degree, okay. 60 means this will be little at a higher place, only then the angle will be more, right? So this is how much? This is 60 degree. If the tower is 50-meter high, this is the tower, it is 50-meter high, okay. This is the height of tower. Find the height of building, means you have to find this height. Understood? I hope you have understood the question. So we'll name them. We'll name this as A, B. AB is the height of tower. C, D. CD is the height of building, okay. And BC is the distance between the foot of tower and building, okay. So how are you going to find? So always remember, whenever two datas are given, you have to approach it from that side. So here you can see which are the two datas given. Yeah, in this figure. Which figure? This one. A, B and C. How much is this? This is 60 and this is 50. You can find BC, right? How? This is theta, so this is opposite and this is adjacent. So you need O and A. That is, you will get it from tan theta is equal to O by A. So tan 60 is equal to O, that is 50 divided by A is BC. What is tan 60? It is root 3, which is equal to 50 by BC. So what will be BC? BC will be 50 root 3, okay. So this is BC, that is the base. Next we need to find this one. So BC you have got it as 50 by root 3, right? Now if you look at here this figure, let me write it here itself, okay. That is DBC. Angle B is 30. So again you need to find this DC. If this is theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent. So again tan 30 is equal to O. O is what? DC by A. A is adjacent, that is BC, okay. This is 1 by root 3. DC we don't know, but BC we know. How much is that? Yes, it is 50 by root 3. This will come to the numerator, okay. Since it is in denominator, as per the rule, this will become DC into root 3 by how much is this? 50. Now do the cross multiplication. So this is DC into, how much is this? Root 3 into root 3 is 3, which is equal to 50. Therefore DC will be equal to 50 by 3. If you solve, how much will you get? 3 ones are 3. Here you will get 2. So 3 6 are 18. Point, you will get how much? 20. Again 6 6. Okay. So that will be your answer. 16.66 meter. That is the height of what? Yes, it is the height of building. Got it? So I hope you have understood the topic as well as the solution. Moving to question number 10 now. Okay. So what is our question number 10? Yes, it is here. See, let me bring it near to the screen. Yeah, now see. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of a road. Okay, there is a road. For example, this is the road. Two poles of equal height. This is a pole and this is the other pole. Both of them are of equal height. Okay, now which is 80 meter wide. This road is 80 meter wide, means distance between them is 80 meter from a point between them on the road. Okay, from a point between them on the road. The point can be anywhere. Let me take it as this point. Okay, you can take here also. We don't know where is it exactly located. The angles of elevation of top of the poles are 60 and 30. Okay, so one side it is just 30 and the other side it is just 60. Okay, so like this you can write. You can also write 60 here, 30 here, not a problem. But yeah, you all know that 30 in a protractor, the angle 30 is smaller than 60, right? It is, the value is smaller. So that's why is the one which is of lesser length, lesser angle, you can take that as 30, and the one which looks more, okay, this value you can take that as 60. Based on your analysis, you can take either 30 here or 60 here. The common sense will tell you that. Okay, so let us not go deep into that. You can take anywhere. Okay, 30 here, 60 here, not a problem. Okay, now see, 60 and 30. Okay, find the height of poles. We have to find the height of poles. Both of the height remains the same. So if you know anyone, the other is same. And also the distance of points from the pole. Distance of point from the pole. From here, what is this location? From this point, what is the pole distance? And here, these two you have to find. Okay, so this is the question. Now do we know any of the triangle which has two data? No. So what are we going to do? See, in such cases, if you see, this total is 80, right? Now if I take this smaller, let me name it first, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, if I take BC as X, okay, this total is 80. So this part will be 80 minus X, right? So this concept we are going to apply here. Okay, now you can just look at here. This is X, okay, and this is 30. Got it? And what about this one? Yeah, this side, this is 80 minus X, this is 60, okay, and this is ED. Both ED and AB are equal, so you can write that near here. So AB is equal to ED because they are of same, okay, same length. Now in this triangle, if I write, again you need to find AB. So tan 30 will be equal to O by A, that is opposite side by adjacent. This is adjacent by BC. Okay, so tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and here AB is unknown but BC is X. So keep it as it is. Here again tan 60 is equal to ED by what? Adjacent is 80 minus X. What is tan 60? It is root 3. ED. Now can I write ED equal to AB? Yes, because sorry, ED. Yeah, not C. This is D. Pardon. So AB by AD minus X. Why? Because AB is equal to ED, you can write. Okay. Now see, here AB is how much? It is, if you do cross multiplication, you will get X by root 3. Right? Here also, if you do cross multiplication, you will get AB as 80 minus X into root 3. Okay, so you can take this as 1, equation 1, this as 2. Now since both of them are equal, why? Because LHS, if you see, AB only given. Therefore, we can write X by root 3 is equal to 80 minus X into root 3. Okay, now on solving them, do the cross multiplication. If nothing is there in denominator, it will be 1. So X into this is X, and here you will get 80 minus X into root 3 into root 3 is 3. Right, so this will become, if you multiply 8 3 is a 24 0, and this is X into this 3X. This is X. Bring X to, I will write it here, LHS. It's become X plus 3X is equal to 240. So this is 4X, which is equal to 240 by 240. Now X is 240 by 4, which is equal to 60. So what is X? 60. Now this pole, okay, BC distance is 60. What will be this? It will be 20, right? Because 80 minus 20, 80 minus X is how much? You can substitute. This is what? This is CD. Okay, so 80 minus 60 is equal to 20. Therefore CD is equal to 20 meter. That's why I said you can take anywhere. Okay, if angle 60 is here, okay, it means this distance is smaller and this is bigger compared to this. Okay, you could have taken 60 over here and 30 over here, not a problem. The answer remains the same. Means one pole is at a distance 60 from it, from the point, and the other is at 20 from it. That is the final answer. I hope you got it. Okay, now moving to question number 11. Yeah, sorry, but before that we got the distance here. Find the height of poles also they have asked. We got just the distance. What is the height of pole? Okay, how are you going to find? So AB is height, right? So in either of these two, here you have got AB as this value. So in this you can substitute X. X you got 60, right? So AB will be equal to 60 by root 3. Do the rationalization. This becomes 60 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 is 3. So this is 3 2s are 0. So therefore height of the tower is 20 root 3 meter. This also you can write. Okay, these are important for 3 marks. Okay, moving to our next question, that is number 11. So this is our question number 11. You can see it here. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. Okay, TV tower stands, so you can see it here, this is the TV tower. It stands vertically on a bank of a canal. Okay, from a point on the other side, other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60. Okay, so here you can see it, it's given in the figure. Means C is the other side of the bank. Okay, one side is at B, other side is at C. So this is the bank width. Okay, now from another point 20 meter away from this point, this point means this C point, from here to 20 meter away, what is given? 20 meter away from the point on the line joining the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 30. Now from here the angle of elevation is 30. Okay, find the height of the tower and width of the canal. Height of tower, okay, means this length you have to find first. Which one? This height, and this width, CB. Okay, so let me write this figure like this, so it will make you much easier. Okay, this angle is 60 and from here it is how much? 30. Okay, now this distance is given as 20. This is unknown and this is height of the tower which you have to find, right? and they have named this as D, this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so we need to find both BC and AB. Got it? We need to find both BC and AB. So how are you going to do that? So see, we don't have any two of the values given of any triangle. If you take this 30°, to take this you need this value, correct? BD you should know, then only you can take AB by BD, but we don't know that. And now to take this smaller one 60, you should know this value, but we don't know this BC value. So what we'll do, we will assume BC as X. Okay, now you do. So this is what X, this is, we don't know A, B, and this is C, but we know this one 60. So again we need to find AB. So same, tan 60 opposite by adjacent, that is AB by, what is this, BC, correct? Tan 60 is √3, but we have taken BC as how much, X, so I will write it as X. So therefore AB will become what, √3x. This is equation 1. Now again here, if you see, this total will become how much, dB will become 20 plus x, right? Because this is 20 and this is x. So there, if I write that figure here, it is like this. See, this is 30 and this is 20 plus x, and this is again AB, right? A, B, D. So here, since it is tan 30, the value will be different. O by A, O is what, AB by A is 20 plus x. What will be tan 30? Yes, it is 1 by √3. You should know these values. 1 by √3 is equal to AB by 20 plus x. Now do the cross multiplication. So AB into √3, okay, is equal to 20 plus x. So what will be AB? AB will be 20 plus x by √3. Now take this as equation 2. Again, similar to previous question, both of them are AB, correct? Equation 1 and 2 are AB. So with that we can say 1 is equal to 2. It means √3x is equal to 20 plus x by √3. Okay, here nothing is there in the denominator, so take it as 1. Do the cross multiplication. Okay, so √3 into √3, what will be that, 3, and 20 plus x into 1 is same. So you will get 3x is equal to 20 plus x. So what will be x? Just bring it to the LHS. This value is equal to 20, so therefore 2x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 by 2, which is equal to 10. What was x? Yes, it was the width of this canal, that is 10. We got this as 10. Now what will be AB? You can take this value. AB will be equal to √3 into 10, that is equal to 10 √3 meter. What is AB? Yes, AB is the height of the TV tower, which is equal to 10 √3 meter. Okay, I hope you have understood this question as well. Now moving to the next question. If you get any doubt, you can ask it in the comment section. Now moving to question number 12. If you are understanding the video, kindly do like it. Okay, and once you finished watching, do share, like, comment and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to do that. Okay, so moving to our question number 12 now. What is given here? If you see, they have given that from a top of 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60° and the angle of depression of its foot is 45. Determine the height of tower. Okay, so see, from the top of a 7-meter high building, there is a building like this which is 7-meter high. Okay, this is building. The angle of elevation of top of a cable tower means it is standing opposite to this. So angle of elevation means it is at of higher length. Okay, so from here, see, read it properly. From the top of 7-meter high building, from top, this is the top, The angle of elevation of top of cable tower. This is cable tower in the right side. This angle is how much? If I draw this horizontally, this angle is given as 60 degree. Okay, right? Now these two horizontals are equal. Okay, because they are horizontal level. Next, the angle of depression of its foot is 45. Here is the foot. So angle of depression. Which angle? This one. How much is this? It is 45. Determine the height of tower, means this total height you have to find. So you can just name them as A, B, C, D, E. Okay, you need to find what? A, D. You have to find AD. Correct? But if you look at the figure, you can say that AD is equal to AE plus ED. Right? Now why you need to find AD? Because AD you can get it from this BAE, correct? This is A, right? Yeah. And ED you can get from BED. Okay, but if you look at here, ED is given already. How can you say that? Yes, EC, sorry, this is ED. I have written it wrong. ED. If you look at it here, since this forms what? This sides form a rectangle, correct? So even this will be same 7 meter. So that also you can write here BC is equal to ED. Okay, opposite, because they are the opposite sides of a rectangle. You can mention that. Okay, so even this will be equal to 7. Therefore ED is equal to 7 meter. Right. So we have this. We need to find this now, but we don't know that. How we can find now? Since if you look at this figure carefully, which one is that? Yes, B E D. If you look at it carefully, here we have the data. This is 45 and this is 7. So can't you find this one? BE. Theta is here, this is opposite. 90 is here, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. So use the simple rule, tan theta is equal to O by A, opposite by adjacent. Opposite is given as 7, adjacent is BE. And here tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? It is 1. So 1 is equal to 7 by BE. Therefore BE is equal to how much? 7 meter. So even BE is 7. This is also 7. It means it is not a rectangle. It is a square. Okay. CD will also be 7. So we know this. Now look at this figure. Which one? Yes. You just look at this figure. Here. A, B and E. Okay, so if you look at that figure, A, E, B, this is 60. We don't know this, but we know this now, BE. Correct? So use tan 60 degree is equal to opposite AE by adjacent 7. What is tan 60? It is root 3, which is equal to AE by 7. So AE will be how much? 7 root 3. Got it? So BE is this one and AE is this one. So we need to find what? AD. AD is how much? AE plus ED. So in this, if you substitute, AD will be equal to what? AE, that is 7 root 3 plus ED. What is ED? Yes, even that is 7. So 7 is common. If you take it out, you will get root 3 plus 7. Root 3 plus 1. This is the answer. 7 into root 3 plus 1. Since it is height, it will be meter. Okay. So I hope you understood this question as well. Now moving to question number 13. Moving to question number 13. What have they given? As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 and 45 degree. Okay, if one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of lighthouse, okay, find the distance between the two ships. So there was a lighthouse, for example, if you take this is the lighthouse. Okay, this is lighthouse, this is the top of lighthouse, observed from 75 meter and its height is 75 meter. from the sea level. The angles of depression of two ships are 30 and 45 degree. There were two ships, okay. One was at an angle of depression was how much? It should be taken from this side, okay. Angle of depression should be taken from here. So one was at 30. I can write this as 30, okay, and the other one was at an angle 45. So this is 45. 35 will come first here, okay. We will name this as A and this one as B, okay. Now, and they have also mentioned if one ship is exactly behind the other, okay, B and A, okay, A is behind B on the same side of lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. What is the distance between this A and B? Okay, so I will name this A, this is B, this is C, and this as D. Okay, now if you look at it here carefully, if I extended this line, okay, and if I join it from here, from A, okay, okay, let me erase it, it's not neat. It will be like a rectangle, okay. See, if I join it from here like this, A B C D, let me call this as E, this DE, okay, and BC AC, sorry, AC not BC, AC are equal. Why? They forms rectangle, since both of these are what, both of these are parallel to each other, correct. They are horizontal levels, and these are what, this is height, and even this will be height. Why? Because they are between the this parallel lines, so even this will be 75, okay. Now why I have taken this, because this angle here, yeah, just a minute, yes, this angle will be equal to same as the angle formed by this line. Why? Because of this alternate angles, they are equal. So if this is 35 and this will be, sorry, 30, and if this is 45, this line, so here it will also be 45. Got it? So now we can first find BC, okay, then we can find AC, and then we can subtract AC minus BC, we'll get AB. That's all. So let me write it like this now. So we have converted angle from here to here. Why? Because of this alternate. You should know this rule. So let me start with here A, and this is C, and this is D. Okay, and this height is given as 75, and this is how much? Yes, this is AC, and theta is 30. So use tan 30 degree, which is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to 75 by AC. Do the cross multiplication, you will get AC as 75 into root 3. This is what? This one. Now coming to the second diagram. Here it is B, C, D. This is again 75, but this is 45. Same, tan 45 is equal to opposite, which is 75, divided by adjacent, which is BC. So this is 1, tan 45 is 45 degrees 1, and 75 by BC. So this will give BC as how much? 75 meter. Okay, this is also in meter. So you have got this one as well as this one. So what will be AB? Yes, AB will be AC minus BC. AC is 75 root 3 minus BC is 75. If you take 75 common, you'll get answer as root 3 minus 1 here, and this is 75. Therefore the final answer is 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. What is this? You can keep it in the meter itself. Yes, it is the distance between the two ships. You can write the distance between the two ships are is how much? 75 into root 3 1 minus 1 meter. Understood? I hope you have understood. Now moving to the 14th question. Okay, so moving to question number 14 now. What have they given? Yes, read it. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. Okay, so there is a girl over here. You can see her height is how much? 1.2 meter. Okay, now she is looking at a balloon. The balloon is over here. Okay, in the height of balloon, it will be from ground. How much is that? 88.2 from the ground. You can see it here. The angle of elevation of balloon from the eyes of the girls at any instant is 60. Okay, what was that? It was 60. Okay, okay, the balloon was over here in the initial stage because they have mentioned it was 60. So this was it, this is the first stage. After some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30, means after some time from here to here it moved. So this is the second instant. Okay, the angle is now 30, so this is 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during this interval. So what is the distance between this to this movement? Okay, we have to find the distance. So if I write this in a rough diagram, it will look something like this. This is the ground, okay, and this is the balloon, this is the girl, and at first the balloon was somewhere over here. Okay, so angle was how much? Yes, it was 60. And when the balloon was here, the angle reduced to 30. Okay, I will name this as A, this is B, this is C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, now see, this is given as how much? 1.2 meter, and this total is how much? Yes, it is 88.2 meter, right? 1.2 and 88.2. So to get BH, should I subtract 1.2 from 88.2? Yes, so this will become how much? 87. Okay, now we will take that figure. That is the actual question. This is B, H, F, and the other will be, this is how much? 30. Again B, H, and what is this? F. Oh, sorry. This will be for, yeah, this is 60, not 30. B, this is G, not H, exactly, because I've already taken this bigger side. Okay, so this is B, G, and this is F. Angle is 60. Okay, we need to find what? Yes, we need to find this distance, that is GH. So if you look at it carefully, if I know FH and FG or GH, I will definitely get GH, right? GH will be equal to FH minus FG. So this is FH and this is FG. We need to find this. We can easily do because this side is given 87, even this is 87. So use tan 60 exactly. So see here it will be tan 30 degree, and here tan 60. Tan 30 is O by A, that is 87 by A is FH. So this is 1 by root 3, which is equal to 87 by FH. So on cross multiplication you will get FH as 87 into root 3, like this, right? Here tan 60 is 87 by FG. So this is root 3, which is equal to 87 FG by FG. So FG will be equal to 87 by root 3. Now we got both. So GH will be how much? 87 root 3 minus FG is how much? 87 by root 3. On taking common 87, you will get root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Okay, you can leave up to here or just do the rationalization. So this will become 83 into, if you take LCM, this will become root 3 into root 3, that is 3, right? Because root 3 LCM is root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So this is 3 minus 1. Okay, so how much is the answer? Yes, 87. Okay, and here into 2 by root 3. Okay, so on solving this, how much will you get? Yes, multiply. So this will become 7 to the 14 and 8 to the 16, 117 by root 3. So you can keep it as it is or rationalize it to remove the denominator. So this is 3, this is 174 into root 3. So on cancellation you will get 7, 6 the 5 the 15 and 8. So answer is 58 root 3 meter. What is this? Yes, this is the distance traveled by the what? Balloon during the interval. Understood? Yes. So this is question number 14. I hope you have understood. Now moving to the second last question, question number 15. Okay, so what is given here? A straight highway leads to foot of a tower. Okay, yeah. So imagine the car was over here. Okay, sorry again. Yeah, over here. It was approaching towards the tower. Okay, means it is coming towards this side. Now a man standing over here, he saw where is the straight? Okay, here. Observes the car at an angle of depression 30. Okay, angle of depression means again horizontal line you have to draw. From this the angle formed here is how much? Yes, it is 30, and this is approaching towards the foot with uniform speed is uniform. 6 seconds later the angle of depression of car is found to be 60. Okay, so it found to be 60. Okay, like this angle is now 60 degree. After how many seconds? Yes, after when time 6 seconds. They have given the time taken from traveling here to here is 6 seconds. Find the time taken by car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. From here to here, what will be the time? So instead of distance they have given time, so no need and to worry, you can find it easily. Okay, now I will again join this end. Okay, so if this is 30, even this will be 30. Why? Again horizontal, this alternate angle, and if this is 60, even this will be 60. Got it? So using this condition we can solve. So again you can take this first. I will name this as A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so in triangle ABC it is like this. Okay, this is 60. AB we don't know, right? So I will take this as AB itself. This is T, time, we don't know, we need to find that. And this total is how much? Again this is 30, this is again AB, and this total is now T plus 6. Okay, or else let me take it as X, that will be easier, right? Because we always find it easier when the unknown value is taken as X. Okay, so I'll take this as X, so this will be X plus 6, right? Again use tan 60 here. OB opposite by adjacent, which is BC. BC is how much? X, which I have taken just now. So tan 60 is root 3 AB by X. So AB will be root 3x. Yes, I hope you have understood. This is similar to some of the problems given previously. Now again here tan 60, sorry tan 30 this time, is equal to AB by X plus 6. Tan 60 is 1 by root 3. Therefore AB by X plus 6. Now do the cross multiplication. You will get AB is equal to X plus 6 by root 3. Understood? Now this and this AB are equal. So name this as 1, this as 2. Now 1 is equal to 2, which means root 3x is equal to x plus 6 by root 3. Do the cross multiplication, you will get 3x, which is equal to x plus 6. So 3x, bring this to LHS, minus x equals to 6. 2x equals to 6. Therefore x is 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So this is what 3? This is the time taken by car to reach the foot of tower from point C is how much? Yes, it is 3 seconds. Don't write it in meter. You have to write it in second because the data given was second, not distance, but the time. Okay, so this is the answer. Now moving to the last question, and if you have understood till here, kindly do like the video. Okay, moving to the last question. Okay, so what have they given? They have given that the angles of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of tower is 6 centimeter. Okay, so there is a tower given like this. Okay, this is the tower, this is the ground. Now the angle of elevation of top of the tower from 2 points at a distance 4 and 9 meter. Okay, from the base of the tower, this is the base of the tower, so this is at a distance 4 and another is at a distance from this, it is at a distance how much? 9 meters. Okay, the same with it are complementary, means this and this forms complementary. If I name this as A, B, C, D, so angle at C and D forms complementary. What do you mean by complementary? Two angles are equal to 90, we call them as complementary. These two angles will be called as 90. Okay, so if one is if two of them are 90, what will be the other? It will be 90 minus x, right? So I will take one as x and the other as 90 minus x, right? One is x, the other will be 90 minus x, that's all. Okay, or else this is y, but let me take it as x itself and 90 minus x itself. Okay, now we have to prove that AB is equal to 6. They have given as 6, but that we have to prove. How are we? Not you, we going to do that. So use the same logic. See, if you look at this triangle, same concept of trigonometry, ABC. Okay, this is 4, this is x, we don't know AB. Okay, here it is given 6, we need to prove that. So see, tan x will be how much? It will be AB by BC. We don't know x, so what will be AB? We don't know, but we know BC. How much is that? 4. So it is 4, means can I write AB as 4 tan x, right? Let this be 1. Now coming to second figure, now here it is 90 minus x. This is A, this is B, this time this is 9, this is D. So tan of 90 minus x, again it is AB by BD, that is 9. What is tan of 90? Yes, they are complementary, so tan will become what? Cot. It is cot x, which is equal to AB by 9. So what will be AB? Yes, it is 9 cot x. This is equation 2. Substituting 1 and 2, since both of them are equal. See, AB, AB. So 1 is equal to 2. So therefore I can write 4 tan x is equal to 9 cot x. We'll bring tan and cot to one side. This is cot x and number to the other side, right? So here you'll get tan x into 1 by cot x, which is equal to 9 by 4, right? 1 by cot x, I have written it separately. Both of them are what? Yes, even this is tan x and 1 by cot x is also tan x as per the rule. You know that reciprocal. Okay, relation between tan and cot, they are reciprocal of one another. So what is this? Tan square x, which is equal to 9 by 4. So tan x will be root of 9 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 2. Square root of 9 is 3 and 4 is 2. So tan x is 3 by 2. Now substitute that in this AB. So AB is equal to 4 into what is tan x? 3 by 2. So this is 2 2s are 4 and this is 3 2s are 6. Therefore AB is equal to 6 and hence proof. That's what they asked us to prove, right? Height of tower is 6. So we have proved that it is 6. Okay, so this completes our chapter. All the problems of the given solution has been solved. I hope you liked it. If yes, kindly do press the like button, and also subscribe the channel if you are new, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of my future videos. So we'll see you all with a new video in my next session. Till then, take care. Bye. Have a great time and all the best for your exams.